back in my shop. I'm Steven. Today I want to share with you the setup I will make to correctly position the rib on the plate that will be the table. As you already see on the previous video, I already drilled the rib and I need to transfer the holes from the rib to the plate, and especially on the back side. So I will move the camera, show you the setup and how I decided to work and to make this setup. So as you can see here, I put the plate in a reverse position as I had to work on the back of it, and I choose let's say the worst face that was machined. So I have some very small step here between those two machining paths, so I decided to put it on the back, so the front is very flat and very nice. It will be helpful to make a proper machining. So the first thing first, I put some letters. So as you can see here, there is a B, and here put some light, there is a A, and this A is matched with the A rib. And also I put on the left side, like on the rib on the left side, so it's a good way to be sure that I will reposition correctly the rib and the plate. And on this face here I will have the motor mount, so a plate that will be secure like that. So I already know that this this face will be the motor mount with a special plate. It's also the reason why I let more space here to take in account, the remark on the print and to check dips for the side plate. So the way I work, it's one way. You can use a different one, but I use a square, and I check that my square is right on the edge of the rib and the plate. I do the same thing on the back to be sure that everything is aligned like that, and I do the same thing, in this position to be sure that everything is nice and aligned. Then I use the magnetic holder, as you can see here and here, because when you punch things they can move. And the way I do it is this way. I punch this hole first, then I recheck here the back and repunch it. I do not punch all those holes. And what I will do, I will put a screw on this hole. I will put a screw on this hole also to attach the rib to the plate here, and I will check that I'm perfectly aligned all the long of the rib. And it's not the case actually. There is some couple of stains that are not in line. It's normal because the rib is little bended. So I will have to correct that to be sure that the rib is aligned with the table. So I will do the same thing with the rib on the B place. I will put a screw in this position. I will put a screw in this position also, and do not transfer holes on this way to avoid any kind of bending, and will correct it in a second step. So I will do the job of camera and show you the results when it will be done. So I just finished to put the fourth screw on the rib to attach the ribs to the plate, and now the table is quite assembled. So I'll show you the way I did it. There is one screw here, another one here at each end, the one here and here, and that I need to do is to check if the rib is flush to the table. So on this side it's quite okay, but I will flip, you know, the table, and you will see that this rib is not very in line. If we go there, there is a gap here, so the rib needs to go this way. So I will put some tensioner here with a steel plate, and the rib will go in this direction, and after that I will tap it and transfer hole. So it's the reason why I use at the beginning only two screws at each end, and it's a good way to check if everything is flush. So I will do it off camera. Then I will transfer holes and then make a lot of drilling operation. And also, when I move the parts, I discovered that the weight making too big, very big. So the table itself, only the plate, is between 80 and 100 pounds, and with the two ribs it can reach, I guess, 150, 160 pounds. So I will put some lift eyes somewhere here to help for manipulating this table. I don't want to take any risk about the weight. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.